what is the purpose for your website. Today we are going to talk about what 3 pages you need on your website as a coach. So if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm sharing videos that are going to help you grow and scale your coaching business the easy way. So the first thing that you need to think about when you are building your website for your coaching business is what is the purpose for your website. So we need to talk about the strategy of the website first, and once we know the strategy, once we know what the website is for, we can then focus on how to structure the home page, the services page, and your About Me page. So usually what I see is coaches use their websites to either get people on their email list, so then they can nurture those people, contact them, and make them a client further down the line, or immediately use the website to get people to book a call with them, a discovery call, clarity call, free session, whatever, so that then they can convert those people on the call. Or if you already have group programs, or if you already have some courses, you can sell those courses off your website. So these are the 3 things that I see most of the people use their websites for. So either getting people on their email list, getting people to book a call, or getting people to buy something. So depending on what you want people to do, this is going to be your call to action. So your home page should have preferably 1 or maximum 2 call to actions, which means buttons that people are going to click on to do something you want them to do. So if you want those people to get on your email list, the button or the form is going to be subscribe to my email list or get something for free that I have that's very valuable, that you can then collect their emails and have them on your email list. If the strategy is to get people to book a call with you, then the call to action is going to be book a call, book a free session, book a discovery call, whatever you call it. So those are going to be the main calls to action on your home page. And if you want to sell something to them immediately from your home page, you can have check out my course, buy my course here, check out the sales, check out the shop page, you have multiple courses, and so on. So basically that is the first thing that we go through, like strategy, what do we want them to do, calls to action, so based on what we want them to do, what is the call to action? And then we have to think about what does that person, when they land on your website, when they land on your home page, how can you guide them to actually click on that button and do what you want them to do? So how do we do that? We do that through showing them that we understand them, that we know where they are coming from, that we know what they want, that they feel like we are in their head. So you can start with addressing some of the problems that they are facing, some of the thoughts that they are having in their day-to-day life, and some of the things that they want. So this can be for all 3 strategies. You need to know your ideal client perfectly so that you can put all of those things on your website. Preferably immediately on the top of the website, they should be able to come and see that they are in the right place, that you are helping exactly them to do exactly what they need and to overcome struggles that they are having. Once you have that directly on the front, you can then guide them slowly and show them why is it important for them to take that next step, to hire you, to book a call, to pay for a course you have, or to get on your email list, or to get a freebie. So basically your home page is like a little map for them to follow. You're guiding them through your page for them to take the action that you want them to take. Then on your services page, if you have, probably you're going to have one-to-one, maybe you have some group offers, maybe you have some courses, maybe you have some freebies. All of that can go on your services page. And on that page, you need to do almost the same. So show people what do they get out of each service and why is the service good for them? What are they gonna get from that service? What are the benefits from getting in one service rather than the other? so that then they are there, they see all of your services, they know how to identify themselves as someone who would need that service. So your service page has to be directly addressed to your ideal client. Show them what you have, show them the benefits of working with you and doing the offers that you have. Show them what their lives are going to look like when they work with you, when they go through the services, and how are their lives going to change. Basically, your services page should be little snippets from like a sales page that you have for your offers. And it should sell your offers to your ideal clients and make them want to contact you or leave their email or book a free session with you or buy the service immediately from the website. And that takes me to the About Me page, which usually people think that About Me page should really be like their CV or the page that tells all of their certifications and everything that they've done in their lives and all of the amazing things about them. But actually your About Me page should also be about your ideal client. So the best way to write your About Me page is to think about all the aspects of what you've been through, all the aspects of your life that your ideal client is going to connect with, that they're going to feel like, oh, she knows what I'm going through because she's been through that, or oh, she's doing that because she saw the value of mindset coaching, or she had this happen to her in her life, so now she overcame that, so now she has all this lived experience and she can help me also because I'm going through the same thing. And when you are including your credentials, so if you have certifications, accreditations, all of those things that you worked hard for, you paid for, you educated yourself during your life, mention those, but mention those in a way that it's showing them why is that beneficial for them. Why are you a better coach to coach them? Because of that certification. So if you have, or if you've done anything else in your life, if you have experience, your maybe past jobs, anything you want to mention, always think about how can I relate that to why would they want to hire me? Why is that important to my ideal client? And why is that making me a better coach? If you cannot connect something like, okay, I'm living in the UK, if you don't need to write that unless maybe you just want to work with UK clients, or if you had a university degree in something, if that doesn't relate back to your ideal client and what they want and how you can help them, it's absolutely not necessary to write that information on the About Me page. It's always better to put less but more impactful things that are going to speak to that ideal client than putting everything that you can think of, because then people get bored, people look through the website and they see a bunch of information, a bunch of text, and they can't really identify why is that important to them, so they're gonna get bored and get off. But if they can connect with what you are sharing, if they can see that you've done something, why you've done that, why is that making you a better coach, how that helps your clients right now, then they're going to feel and see you as a bigger authority and see you as someone that can help them and that they would want to hire. So those are my 3 recommendations for a coaching website. And if you need more information, I have a free resource down below where you can read all about how to make your website convert better and how to get more clients from your website. So make sure to check that. It's for free and down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.